Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving deep into a topic that's an absolute game changer in the world of makeup: the magic of setting spray. We all spend time and effort creating that perfect makeup look, right? The flawless foundation, the sharp eyeliner, the blended eyeshadow. But what's the point if it all slides off, creases, or fades away by midday? It's heartbreaking. If you've ever looked in the mirror at 3 p.m. and wondered where your morning makeup went, then this video is for you. We're going to explore exactly how this miracle mist works, the different types available, and how to use it like a pro to lock in your look from sunrise to sunset, and even beyond. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's unlock the secret to makeup that truly lasts. First, let's break down what setting spray actually is. Think of it as the top coat for your face. Just like you'd use a top coat to seal in your nail polish and prevent chipping, setting spray creates a protective barrier over your makeup. It's a fine liquid mist, typically formulated with water and polymers. When you spritz it onto your face, the water evaporates, leaving behind these polymers. These polymers form a lightweight, invisible film that holds your makeup particles together and helps them adhere to your skin. This film is what prevents your foundation from transferring onto your clothes, your eyeshadow from creasing in the heat, and your blush from fading into oblivion. It essentially melds all the layers of your makeup primer, foundation, powder, blush into one cohesive, durable layer. It's the final, crucial step that takes your makeup from just applied to bulletproof. Now, not all setting sprays are created equal. The beauty world has evolved, and now there's a spray for practically every skin type and desired finish. Let's talk about the main categories. First up, we have the classic long-lasting or all-day wear sprays. These are your workhorses. They're designed with powerful polymers to provide maximum hold and are perfect for long days, special events like weddings, or hot, humid weather. If your main goal is simply to make your makeup stay put, this is your go-to. Then, we have mattifying setting sprays. These are a lifesaver for those of us with oily or combination skin. They often contain oil-absorbing ingredients like silica or charcoal. Not only do they lock your makeup in place, but they also help control shine and keep your T-zone looking fresh and matte throughout the day. It's like having a blotting paper in a bottle. On the other end of the spectrum, we have dewy or illuminating setting sprays. If you love that radiant glass skin look, you'll adore these. They're formulated with hydrating ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid, and sometimes even contain ultra-fine shimmer particles. They prevent your makeup from looking too flat or powdery and instead impart a gorgeous, healthy glow. These are fantastic for dry or mature skin types, as they can add a youthful plumpness and luminosity back into the complexion. Finally, there are hydrating and prepping sprays. While many can be used to set makeup, their primary function is often to refresh the skin. They're packed with soothing ingredients like aloe vera, cucumber, or rose water. You can use them before makeup, to prep and hydrate the skin, or throughout the day to give your face a quick pick-me-up without disturbing the makeup underneath. Choosing the right one really depends on your skin's needs and the finish you're dreaming of. So, you've picked your perfect spray. How do you apply it for the best results? The technique is just as important as the product itself. The golden rule is to apply it as the very last step of your makeup routine. After your foundation, concealer, powder, blush, eyeshadow, and mascara are all done, it's time for the final seal. Hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches away from your face. This is roughly an arm's length. If you hold it too close, you risk getting large droplets that can create splotches or even make your mascara run. We want a fine, even mist. Close your eyes and mouth. Now, here's the pro tip for application patterns. I like to spray in both an X and a T motion. So, you'll spritz once diagonally from your forehead to your chin, then again in the opposite direction, creating an X. Then spray horizontally across your forehead and vertically down the center of your face, creating a T. This ensures you cover every single inch of your face evenly. After you've sprayed, the most important thing to do is nothing. Let it air dry completely. Don't touch your face, don't fan it aggressively, and definitely don't walk into a gust of wind. Just be patient for about a minute. This allows the polymers to set and form that protective film we talked about. You'll literally feel your makeup locking into place. Once it's dry, you're good to go. Another amazing trick is to use setting spray to intensify your eyeshadows, especially shimmers and matte. Simply spritz a little bit of the spray directly onto your eyeshadow brush after you've picked up the product. Then pat the shadow onto your lid. This wet application method not only makes the pigment incredibly vibrant and foiled, but it also helps the shadow adhere better and prevents fallout. It's a game changer for creating stunning, high-impact eye looks that last all night long. Let's also bust a common myth: setting spray versus fixing spray. You might hear these terms used interchangeably, but traditionally they were slightly different. A classic fixing spray often contained a higher alcohol content and was designed to be an even stronger, more industrial strength sealant for makeup. Think theatrical or stage makeup. Setting sprays, on the other hand, were more about melding the makeup layers together for a more natural, skin-like finish while still offering longevity. However, in today's market, the lines have blurred completely. Most products labeled as setting sprays now offer incredible longevity and fixing power while being formulated to be much gentler on the skin than their old-school counterparts. So, don't get too caught up in the name. Instead, focus on the description. Does it say Mattiffian Dewy Long-Lasting? That's what will tell you what the product truly does for your look. Beyond just locking in a finished look, setting spray has some other versatile uses. As I mentioned, you can use a hydrating one to prep your skin before you even apply primer. It adds a light layer of moisture that helps your base products go on more smoothly. You can also use it to refresh your makeup midday. If your face starts to feel tight or your makeup looks a bit cakey after a few hours, a light mist of a hydrating or dewy spray can instantly revive your complexion, bringing back that just applied look without needing to touch up with more product. It helps to rehydrate the makeup and blend everything seamlessly together again. It's also great for dampening your makeup sponge. Instead of using water, try spritzing your sponge with setting spray before you blend out your foundation or concealer. This infuses the staying power right into your base layer, giving you extra insurance for a long-lasting finish from the very beginning. To recap, the power of setting spray is undeniable. It's that final touch that elevates your makeup from temporary to timeless. It bridges the gap between different products, melting powders and creams into a single cohesive finish that looks like real skin, only better. It gives you the confidence to go about your day whether you're in back-to-back meetings, dancing the night away, or just running errands in unpredictable weather without worrying about your makeup melting, fading, or creasing. By choosing the right formula for your skin type and desired finish, and by mastering the simple X and T application technique, you are guaranteeing that the beautiful masterpiece you created in the morning will still be there to greet you in the mirror at night. It's truly an indispensable tool in any makeup lover's arsenal. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and exploring the wonderful world of setting sprays. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to make this a permanent step in your own beauty routine. It really does make all the difference. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, I would be so grateful if you gave it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. What's your favorite way to use setting spray? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.